Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are doing good. Children, as you all are aware that we were doing how to find the time duration, and in that row we have completed our exercise 11.4. Children, today we are going to start how to find a particular time before and after. So children, in this, whenever before and after will be written, like if I'll ask from you what will be the time duration, 30 minutes after 10:30 means what will be the time, finding time means after 30 minutes what is the time if the time which is right now is 10:30. So your answer will be 11. If I have asked that 10:30 a.m. then you are going to give answer 11 a.m. If I'll ask that 10:30 and a.m. and p.m. nothing was mentioned over there, then you will give the answer 11. That's it. So how to find time, that related to question we are going to take it today. And we'll start with our examples first. Now we'll take first example. What time will be 3 hours 50 minutes after 2 hour 15 or 2:15 p.m. So first of all children, here also we are going to convert the time which is given in p.m. that will be converted into converted into 24-hour format, or you can add that time directly also. See how? We'll take this example 1. Now this example 1 is what time will be 3 hours 50 minutes after 2:15 p.m. So here we'll write here hours and minutes, and after means you are going to add that time. Means you have been given 2 hours 15 minutes, in that you are going to add 3 hours 50 minutes. 3 hours 50 minutes. So this will be your time after this duration. So here whenever after will be given, you are going to do addition, and before you are going to do subtraction. Now here 50 plus 15 you will be getting 65, but 60 minutes 65 you will be getting, but out of 65 60 minutes will make 1 hour. So this 1 hour will be added on this side, and here you will be left with 5 minutes. Now here 6. So therefore the time will be 6:05 p.m. 6:05 p.m. So what we have seen in this question? In this question we have seen whenever you have to find time, what you will do, the time duration which is given, that is 3 hours 50 minutes, that will be added when afterward will be given in the question. In the case of after, whenever it is given that like 3 hours 50 minutes after 2:15 p.m. then that will be added, and whenever you will be given before, then you will subtract. So in this row only we are going to take our B part of this same example. Example 1 B part. So we'll start that. What is that? 2 hours 45 minutes. B part is 2 hours 45 minutes after 11:10 a.m. It means we are going to find time after this. So what we will do it in this, we will write here hours, and then we are going to write here minutes. After writing hours and minutes, what we are going to do, in this 11 hours 10 minutes we are going to add this 2 hours 45 minutes. So that will be 55, and here you will be getting 13. 13 means you will be getting that time in 24-hour format. So what we will do here, therefore the time will be, therefore the time will be 13:55 or 1:55 p.m. This will be in your 24 hours, or you can write here only p.m. 13:15 p.m. that is also correct, or 1:55 p.m. that is also correct. So what we have seen in this A and B part of example 1, that whenever you have to find time and you have been given a duration of time and you are supposed to find out time after, then that time duration will be added in that particular time. So children, what we have done here, 2 hours 45 minutes after 11:10 a.m. is there. So what we have done, we are going to add this 2 hours 45 minutes in 11:10 a.m. After doing addition, we will be getting 13:55, that is in 24-hour format, and that is exactly 1:55 p.m. in 12-hour clock. So children, now this first example is related to after, how to find time after. Now example 2 we will do it, in which what time was before. As I told you that after you are going to add that time, in before you are going to subtract that time. So we'll take the second example, that is your before one, and here again you will write it in hours and minutes, and then you are going to subtract it. Now we'll take A part. What time was 2 hours 40 minutes before 7:10 a.m. 2 hours 40 minutes before 7:10 a.m. So here we'll write hours and then we'll write minutes. And what I have told you, that particular time will be subtracted. So we'll write here 7 hours 10 minutes, 7 hours 10 minutes. Out of that we are going to subtract 2 hours 40 minutes. 2 hours 40 minutes. So here it is not possible to subtract this 40. Yes. So we'll take it from here. This will become 6. This will become 70. 70 minus 40, 30. 6 minus 2, 4. So therefore the time will be 4:30 a.m. because this time, that 7:10 is given in a.m. So the time before that 7:10 a.m. that will obviously that will be in a.m. So that is 4:30 a.m. So let's take B part also of this example 2. What time was 3 hours 30 minutes before 2:15 p.m. Now here children, here you will see that 2:15 p.m. that is given here, 2:15 p.m. is given. From 2 we cannot subtract the next, that 3 and 30. So we'll write this 2:15 p.m. in this 24 format. So we'll write here 14 hours 15 minutes, and from that we will subtract 3 hours 30 minutes. And then we are going to subtract it. Now here children, no need to getting confused that in which question we have to write in 24-hour format and in which question we don't require it to write it in 24-hour format. Only thing which you have to see that whatever given you to subtract it, and you can write every time, you can write the time which is given in PM, that you can write it in 24-hour format. So that we have done in previous exercise also, that the time which is given in PM, that you will write it in 24-hour format. So same thing we will continue here. So this will become 60, 75, 45 will be left, and here 10. So what is the time? Therefore, the time will be 10:45 AM. Now the answer will come in 24-hour format. So 10:45 means the time is in morning, 10:45 AM. So here children, we have seen question 2, second example, that is related to your finding time before the given time. So what we concluded till here, that in after we are going to add that duration of time, and in before we are going to subtract it. So this thing we have observed in this question. Now we are going to start exercise. In exercise question number 1 and 2, these two questions are related to after and before, and after that we will move to the word problem, that we will see later. So children, here what time will be? Now here children, one thing you have to keep it in your mind. Here nobody is asking about the duration of time. Here the duration of time is given to you, and what will be the time when that duration of time will be added or subtracted from that given time. So you are supposed to find the time. So in that row only we are going to do that. Now exercise 11.5 already I have written. In that row we are going to find that question 1, what time will be, what time will be. So here A part, that is A part is 2 hours 50 minutes, 2 hours 50 minutes after 9:10 AM. After 9:10 AM. This is your question number 1, A part. So what time will be? 2 hours 50 minutes after 9:10 AM. So here children, what we are supposed to do it? Duration is what? This 2 hours 50 minutes. And this duration will be added in the given time. And then what time will be after adding that duration of time? That will be your answer. So what we will do? We'll write here hours, and then we are going to write minutes. 9 hours 10 minutes plus 2 hours 50 minutes. So here 50 plus 10, 50 plus 10, 60. Now 60 minutes will make 1 hour. So here 1 hour will be added, and here it will become 0, 0. 10, 12. So what is the time? Therefore, the time will be 12 PM. This will be your time duration. The time will be 12 PM. This will be your time duration. Now children will come to B part. Now in B part, what is there? 5 hours 15 minutes after 5 hours 15 minutes after 11:30 a.m. This is your B part now. So again we are going to write here hours and then we will write here minutes. So now what next we are going to do it? We'll write here 11 hours 30 minutes plus 5 hours 15 minutes. This will become 45 and this will become 16. So what is the time now? Therefore the time will be 16:45 hours or 16:45 p.m. or you can write 4:45 p.m. also. So what we have seen in this question 1, A and B part, you have been given what time will be. This is your question. A part, you have been given 2 hours 50 minutes after 9:10 a.m. So children, you have to remember only one thing. In after you are going to add and before you are going to subtract. That's it. And everything will be done. There is no problem in any question wherever you have to do addition or wherever you have to do subtraction, that will be sorted. After you will add, before you will subtract. Whatever is the duration. And only one more thing you will keep it in your mind, that PM, the timing which is given in PM, that will always be converted into 24-hour formatting. Now here A part, 2 hours 50 minutes after 9:10 a.m. We have made 2 columns, hours and then minutes. In the given time 9:10 a.m. you are going to add this 2 hours 50 minutes. So the total will become 12:00, that is your 12 p.m. or we can write it 12 noon also. Now come to B part, 5 hours 15 minutes after 11:30 a.m. See, after 11:30 a.m. we have 12 and then your 12 noon will be started and rest of the time will be written in PM. So here automatically that AM and PM anti-meridian and post-meridian, on the very first day of time, the introduction which we have done, that is very important. Because these basic we are going to use. See now, if I talk about this timing 16:45, if you want to write it in 24-hour format, you will write like this: 16:45 hours or 16:45 p.m. or you can write 4:45 p.m. also, 4:45 p.m. Normally in local languages, but in mathematics we were taking it into 12-hour format and this will be taken as 24-hour format. So you can write it in any one of the format. Now in this C part you have been given with, so this only I was talking about, when you have been given with such a time that when that time will be added and you will be getting more than 24, then what is the time duration? So that is very important. Fine. If you are getting 25 or 26, so that will be apart from that particular day. So what and how you are going to do that kind of a addition. So now C part is such kind of a question. So let's do that question and we'll understand. So now in C part you have been given with 4 hours 40 minutes. 4 hours 40 minutes after 8:40 p.m. See this question, I was talking about that such kind of a question only. Or this question, how you can do it, we'll write here hours and then we can write here minutes. Now this 8 hours 40 minutes, in that we are going to add this 4 hours and 40 minutes simply, and whatever time we will get it, that will be the time on the next day. Fine, because here we have PM. Now this will become 80, and out of 80 we will subtract 60, which will make 1 hour, and here 20 will be left. 8 plus 4 12 plus 1 13. So what is the time? This 13:20 is your next morning. Fine, therefore the time will be 1:20 a.m. at night. This time will be at night. So here the timing will be 1:20 a.m. Do you understand how we have done? Here the time is given 4 hours 40 minutes after 8:40 p.m. Now we'll write hours and minutes. 8 hours 40 minutes plus 4 hours 40 minutes. So what we will do, 40 will be added in 40, and here the total will be 80. Now from 80 minutes you will be subtracting 60 minutes to make 1 hour. So here 1 hour will be added and 20 will be left. Now the total is 13. Therefore the time will be 1:20 a.m. So now children, will start with question number 2. Question number 2 we will start. What time was, and here you have been given with before. Question number 2, what time was? A part. Now children, we will do 1-2 question of before also, so that the concept of this before will also be clear, and tomorrow we can take word problem related to this exercise. A part is 2 hours 10 minutes. Hours 10 minutes before 12:10 p.m. This is your question. 2 hours 10 minutes before 12:10 p.m. So what we will do now? We'll write here hours, and then we are going to write here minutes. Now 12 hours 10 minutes subtract 2 hours 10 minutes. So here nothing will be left in minutes, and this will be 10. What is the time? Therefore the time was 10 a.m. 10 a.m. Therefore the time was 10 a.m. So what we have seen in this question? In this question we have seen that how to find time before the given time and that duration. Now in A part, we'll see this A part once again. 2 hours 10 minutes before 12:10 p.m. So before, we are going to subtract that time duration, 12 hours 10 minutes. From that we will subtract 2 hours 10 minutes. 0, and 12 minus 2, 10 will be left. So here the duration is 10 a.m. So now children will come to B part. B part is 3 hours 30 minutes before 9:10 a.m. B part 3 hours 30 minutes before 9:10 a.m. So what we will do here? We'll write here hours, minutes, and we'll write here 9 hours 10 minutes. Out of that we are going to subtract 3 hours 30 minutes. Subtraction we all have done. Subtraction we have already completed. I hope there is no doubt in subtraction. So what we will do now? This will become 9, will become 8, and this will become 70. From 70 you will be subtracting this 30 and you will be left with 40. 8 minus 3 will be left with 5. Therefore, the time was 5:40 a.m. So children, what we will do in C part, again in C part you have been given with 4 hours 50 minutes before 24 hours. So here what we will do, we'll write hours and minutes, and already 24 hours will be given. So you will be subtracting 4 hours 50 minutes from that 24 hours, and you will be getting that C part. Straight away I am doing the solution of that C part. 4 hours 50 minutes. We'll write here hours and minutes, and in 24 hours we have 0 minutes. So from that 0 minute we are subtracting this 4 hours 50 minutes. 4 hours 50 minutes. Now what we will do here? This will become 23 and 60 will be given here. Now 10, then 90. So what is the time? Therefore, the time was 19:10 hours. Or if I'll convert this time in 12-hour format, then we will be writing 7:10 p.m. So you can write the time in any one of the format in which you required suitable, and you find that okay, I am comfortable with this 24-hour format, so I can write it in that, or this timing, that is your comfort, you can write it in that way. Now children, we have D part, 8 hours 20 minutes before 6:10 p.m. So now the 6:10 p.m. will be converted into 24-hour format, and after converting it into 24-hour format, what you will do? You will subtract this 8 hours 20 minutes from that, because 6:10 p.m. when we will write this 6:10 p.m. 6:10 p.m. will become 18:10 hours. So from 18:10 hours you have to subtract 8 hours and 20 minutes. That you can easily do. Do the subtraction and you will get the answer. Quite simple. This is your D part. So children, I hope that today we have done the concept of before and after, and that concept that in after we are supposed to do addition and before we are supposed to do subtraction. That is clear. So children, tomorrow we are going to start word problem related to this. So that's all for today, children. Have a good day.